Good morning, students. We are going to read chapter 1, that is green plants. Green plants. All living beings need energy to live. They get energy from food. All animals directly or indirectly get their food from plants because plants are only living thing which can produce food. That's why plants are called producer. We have already learned in previous class which part of a plant make food. Yes, it's a green leaf because green leaf contains green pigment called chlorophyll which absorb light from sun, help to produce food. Parts of a leaf. Leaves are very important part of a plant. They are of various shapes and sizes. The basic part of leaf are leaf blade, the flat and broad part of a leaf, apex, the tip of a leaf, midrib. In the middle of the leaf lies the midrib or the main vein. Side veins. These are many thin lines on the leaf. Petiole. The stalk of the leaf is called petiole. It joins the leaf to the main stem. Stomata. These are tiny openings mostly found on the undersurface of the leaves. Air enters and comes out from the leaves through the stomata. Functions of a leaf. To produce food, exchange of gases through stomata, food storage as like spinach, cabbage, etc. Transpiration or evaporation of water through stomata. Reproduction or vegetative propagation. Example, Bryophyllum is a plant in which new plants grow from the bud which grow on the leaves. Production of foods by green leaves, that is photosynthesis, the process by which green plants prepare their own food using carbon dioxide, water and minerals in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. The chlorophyll present in the green leaves trap the energy of the sun. Carbon dioxide enters from the atmosphere through the stomata. The roots of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them to the leaves through the stem. During the process of photosynthesis, glucose is formed as a food and oxygen as a byproduct. The process can be shown as below. Carbon dioxide plus water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it makes glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis gives food and oxygen. Food. Plants use some food which they produce for their growth and rest are stored in different parts of as like in their leaves, spinach and cabbage, roots, carrot, radish, flowers, cauliflower, broccoli, fruits, apple, banana and seeds, corn and peas. Oxygen. It is used by all living things to stay alive. Interdependence of plants and animals. Interdependence word come from the words inter and dependence. When two living things depend on each other for their survival is called interdependence. Plants are dependent on animals for the following: get carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, for pollination or transfer of pollen grains, for seed dispersal, etc. Animals are dependent on plants for the following: for oxygen, for food, for shelter, etc. Thank you.